They need to make long-term investments to drive growth and increase prosperity across all segments of the economy. Contrast this kind of certainty and forward thinking on trade with that of the last 4 years, where the only certainty was that you were going to lose ground because your government fundamentally rejected free markets, free enterprise, and free trade. The last administration turned to industrial policy because it was certain that the free market failed in delivering.
In the world of investing, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. And no one has more access to sensitive market-moving information than the people making the laws. Right now, there's a quiet buying frenzy happening behind the scenes. Members of Congress, yes, the very people who help shape national policy, are quietly stacking up shares in specific companies. These aren't random trades. These are strategic moves tied directly to pending government contracts, regulatory shifts, and insider knowledge of upcoming legislation. While the public faces uncertainty, some lawmakers are positioning themselves for massive gains, buying the dip before exemptions are announced, loading up on stocks before major deals get signed. There's a pattern, a steady accumulation of shares in companies tied to government contracts, regulatory loopholes, or industries about to benefit from new legislation. And they're not just dipping their toes in, they're going in heavy. That raises the question, what do they know that we don't? In this video, we're going to uncover 3 specific stocks that members of Congress are aggressively buying right now. These trades are flying under the radar, but the volume and timing suggest something big is on the horizon. We'll walk you through the data, the disclosures, and most importantly, the one stock that stands out as the ultimate power play. Let's break it all down. But first, if that sounds like your kind of edge, destroy the like button, share the video, subscribe if you are new or yet to, and turn on notifications so you stay updated with latest insight on disruptive companies you won't hear about on mainstream finance shows. And just so we're clear, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. It's for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research and make decisions based on your risk profile. Now let's get into the first stock, one that's been drawing a lot of quiet attention from Capitol Hill, especially from one of the most powerful figures in Congress, Nancy Pelosi. When it comes to stock trading in Washington, Pelosi is practically a legend. Her portfolio moves often mirror major market trends before they even make the headlines. And right now, one stock sitting high on her radar is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir isn't just another tech stock. It's the backbone of some of the most advanced AI infrastructure being used by governments and major corporations today. Their artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, is revolutionizing how institutions interact with complex data. By making large language models usable within private, secure environments, whether it's for military intelligence or enterprise operations, Palantir is shaping the future of AI implementation. This isn't just hype. The company's financials back it up. In Q1 2025, Palantir beat Wall Street's expectations and raised its full-year guidance, signaling not just growth but sustained momentum. And it's not just commercial wins. They've locked in a major deal with NATO, reinforcing their role as a critical player in defense-focused AI deployments. At the time of this video, Palantir is trading at $122.29, slightly down from the previous close. But don't let that minor dip fool you. Year-to-date, the stock is up over 71%, and in the past year, it's exploded by more than 487%. That kind of growth doesn't go unnoticed, especially not by Pelosi, who's built a track record of scooping up winners before the crowd catches on. So why does this matter to you? Because Pelosi's trades often act like a spotlight, shining a beam on where the smart money is heading next. If she's making moves on Palantir, it could signal that this isn't just another AI stock, it's a strategic long-term play with serious government backing. And if Congress is quietly buying into AI infrastructure, especially a defense-grade platform like Palantir's, you have to ask yourself, what do they see coming next? Stay tuned, because the next stock on this list might be even more surprising. Next up on the radar, and another stock quietly stacking up in congressional portfolios, is Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Now, this one's big. We're talking about a semiconductor giant that doesn't just ride tech trends. It builds the backbone for them. From AI data centers to cloud infrastructure and wireless connectivity, Broadcom is everywhere. And while the average retail investor is distracted by flashy startup names, lawmakers like those on Capitol Hill are locking into established tech powerhouses like this one. Why? Because Broadcom isn't just benefiting from the AI boom, it's enabling it. Their recent acquisition of VMware has supercharged their software capabilities, turning Broadcom into more than just a chip maker. They now have their hands deep in enterprise infrastructure, offering integrated solutions that touch everything from private cloud systems to AI model deployment. It's a full-stack approach, and Wall Street is paying attention. But here's where it gets interesting for you. In recent financial disclosures, several members of Congress have either purchased Broadcom stock or added to their positions, quietly signaling confidence in where this company is headed, especially in a post-VMware AI-driven world. As of now, Broadcom is trading at $230.53, and despite short-term fluctuations, its trajectory over the past year has been nothing short of dominant. Institutional investors are heavily overweight on AVGO, and so are lawmakers. That's not by accident. Broadcom's chips are critical to the functioning of AI servers, cloud networks, and 5G infrastructure. Without their hardware, most of what we call AI progress would simply not be possible. And with strong pricing power, high-margin software segments, and a steadily growing dividend, Broadcom stands out as a serious long-term compounder. This is not a speculative bet. This is where informed money goes when it's preparing for the next phase of technological dominance, and clearly some members of Congress are already positioning themselves ahead of the curve. Stick around, because the final stock we're about to uncover may just be the most surprising and the most aggressively accumulated one of all. Let's wrap up with a stock that might catch you off guard. ON Holding AG, ticker symbol ONON, the Swiss-based athletic footwear and apparel brand rapidly becoming a global force. While it's known primarily for its sleek, high-performance running shoes, what truly sets ON apart is the growing influence it's building, not just in gyms and running trails, but on Wall Street and, interestingly, inside the halls of Congress. Founded in 2010, ON Holding has carved out a strong niche by blending minimalist Swiss design with patented cloud tech and cushioning technology. The result? A line of running shoes and performance wear that has attracted both elite athletes and fashion-conscious consumers. This isn't just another sneaker company. It's a lifestyle brand with serious traction, thanks to its loyal fan base, premium product design, and expanding direct-to-consumer strategy. And the numbers back it up. In Q1 2025, ON Holding posted record net sales of CHF 726.6 million, a massive 43% year-over-year increase. That growth wasn't just driven by a single hit product, it was powered by broad demand across multiple regions and sales channels, from retail stores to online and wholesale partnerships. The company responded by raising its full-year sales forecast to at least 28% growth, which is an aggressive but believable target given its current momentum. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting for you as an investor. ON Holding is attracting attention from institutional investors and members of Congress alike. Recent financial disclosures have revealed that certain lawmakers have taken positions in ONON, suggesting a longer-term belief in the company's expansion, not just in athletic wear, but as a potential global powerhouse in lifestyle and performance retail. Despite a minor dip in net profit, ON's gross profit margin improved to 59.9%, a sign of healthy operations and disciplined cost control. The stock has climbed 74% from its 52-week low in April, and as of now, trades at around $58.82. That's a significant bounce for a relatively young public company, showing that confidence in its long-term strategy is growing. What makes ON Holding a compelling play isn't just its strong financials or sharp design. It's the brand's ability to balance function, fashion, and forward-looking tech. With sustainability baked into its product roadmap, a growing footprint in North America and Asia, and performance partnerships with elite athletes, this brand is scaling fast and smart. As we close out our look at three stocks quietly accumulating attention from Congress, ON Holding stands out as the sleeper pick. It may not be building chips or defense systems, but it's doing something else just as powerful, building brand loyalty, market dominance, and serious shareholder value in a multi-billion-dollar global industry. This is one stock to keep on your radar, because clearly some of the most informed people in power already have it on theirs.